Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another delicious episode. Ready to level up your breakfast game and impress your family or friends? Today, I'm going to show you how to make fluffy, healthy pancakes that'll have you flipping for joy. These pancakes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The key to a great pancake is using the right ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Trust me, it's healthier and it adds a nutty flavor that's just amazing. Whole wheat flour is rich in fiber and will keep you full longer. Next, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. These natural sweeteners are a great alternative to refined sugar and add a wonderful depth of flavor. Say goodbye to refined sugar. We're keeping it natural and wholesome. You'll also need 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. This is your secret weapon for that fluffiness. Baking powder helps the pancakes rise and become light and airy. Add ½ teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Just a pinch though. The salt balances the sweetness and enhances the flavors. Now, for the wet ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of almond milk, or any milk you prefer. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option and adds a subtle nutty flavor. 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Coconut oil adds a slight tropical flavor and is a healthier fat option. And 1 large egg. You can substitute with a flax egg if you're keeping it vegan. Flax eggs are a great alternative and add extra fiber. Alright, let's mix these up. Grab a large mixing bowl and combine your dry ingredients first. That's the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Give it a good whisk until it's all blended. This ensures that the baking powder and soda are evenly distributed. In another bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients. That's your almond milk, egg, honey, and melted coconut oil. Now slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture. Stir until it's just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the pancakes tough. A few lumps are totally fine and will actually make your pancakes fluffier. The lumps will hydrate as the batter rests. Now heat up a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. You want it hot enough that a drop of water sizzles on contact. Lightly grease it with a bit of coconut oil. This prevents the pancakes from sticking and adds a bit of extra flavor. Pour about ¼ cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface, then flip and cook for another minute or 2. They should be golden brown and irresistible. Stack those beauties up on a plate. You can top them with fresh berries, a dollop of Greek yogurt, a drizzle of maple syrup, or whatever you love. The options are endless. There you have it, folks. Delicious, fluffy, healthy pancakes made right at home. Perfect for a weekend breakfast or any day you need a little extra joy on your plate. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Happy cooking. Until next time, keep flipping and stay healthy. Enjoy your delicious, nutritious pancakes and share the love with your family and friends. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun. So, feel free to add your own twist to this recipe. Whether you add some chocolate chips, nuts, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon, make it your own and enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep cooking and stay healthy. Don't forget to share your pancake creations with us on social media. We love seeing your delicious results. Until next time, happy flipping and bon appetit.